By the end of this video, you're going to know how to create branding templates in Canva for social media posts for your business. Creating branded templates customized for your business is a great way to save time and stay consistent with your branding. Once you have a convenient set of business graphics that you can easily access and edit, you're less likely to start from scratch and lose track of which elements, fonts, and graphic styles are cohesive to your visual branding and which ones aren't. Bottom line is there is absolutely no downside to making templates for your social media posts, so let's go ahead and go through how to make them for your business. And of course, for this guide, we'll be using the tried and tested go-to graphic design site, Canva. If you've watched our graphic guides before, you know we recommend Canva because of the minimal barrier of entry for users, and as an added bonus, if you use Canva for your social media post templates, you can log into your account and edit them on any smart device. So if you have an idea for a post, you can easily edit one of your templates and post a branded graphic on the go. First up, open your visual branding guide. If you don't have one yet, head on over to this video we have on how to create a branding guide for your business. Once you have your branding guide open on a separate window or tab, go ahead and click on Create a Design button on Canva's main page and open a 1080 by 1080 canvas. You can do this by typing the dimension manually or just clicking one of the preset templates, preset sizes in the correct dimensions, like this one here. Next up, we look for templates we can customize into templates for our brand. We can scroll through the suggested designs Canva initially shows here on the Templates tab, but these will be showing at random or what's recently popular. Here's a little tip. The first few designs presented to you on the Templates tab are the most used designs. Do not use them. You want to make unique designs with lesser used templates to avoid posting graphics that other brands using Canva might have used recently. To help with finding templates that could fit your brand better in terms of style, you can type in specific keywords into the search bar. So let's say your visual branding leans more into a scrapbook theme. Just type in scrapbook and you'll have a bunch of scrapbook style graphic templates. For this guide though, let's say we're looking for neon graphics for a neon style visual branding. Let's go ahead and type in neon into the search bar. Now, at this point, you'll want to cross-reference your branding guide with your templates to check which designs are a good fit. But hey, don't be afraid to stray from your branding a bit, because after this, we are going to further customize the designs. When you're creating templates for your social media posts, you want to have designs for different types of posts in the bank to keep your audience engaged. To start your own brand's template library, you'll need the following types of post designs. Number 1, product feature. Number 2, announcement. Number 3, sale. Number 4, poll or question type graphic. Number 5, motivational or quote type graphic. Number 6, an infographic. And number 7, seasonal or a greeting graphic. Having a variety of templates for different types of posts will ensure that your feed doesn't look repetitive. For this reason, you'll also want to start with at least 2 of each types of posts mentioned, which you can then slowly add more to in time. Now we're going to select 2 designs for each post type and then edit them together so we have a unified look. We're going to do that by selecting a design you like, clicking on the Add Page button here, and selecting another design, and so on until we have a set of designs we're going to edit into personalized templates. Okay, now we have 14 designs, 2 for each post type. We're going to now customize them to fit our brand. As you can see, they're all neon, but they don't look great put together, which is why we want to edit them together so we can copy and paste specific elements, set them all to brand appropriate font faces, and have them follow the same color scheme. Another great thing about keeping your brand templates all in one Canva file is that you'll be able to preview them as thumbnails here at the bottom. And if they look great side by side here, they're definitely going to look great on your page's feed. So let's go ahead and edit each template. Before we continue, if you want to have professionals handle all aspects of your business's digital marketing for you, including your social media posts, click the link in the description to get your free proposal today. Editing is fairly simple in Canva. When you click on an element, image, or font, the options on what changes you can make on that element will appear here. If you want to add an element to your design, simply type in the keyword for it in the Elements tab and click on one that fits best. If you want to delete something in a design, click on it and hit delete on your keyboard. If you want to copy an element and paste it on the same or different page, simply hit Ctrl+C or Command+C and then Ctrl+V or Command+V on your keyboard. Once you're happy with your edits, be sure your Canva file is named properly so you can easily open it when you want to create a graphic for a new post and you now have branded templates for your SMM. Let us know if you have any questions down in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more business growing videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.